Our next use case is digital menus. In this case, the product will be fulfilled by NOSH rather than a partner. We will use the customer self-service portal to place the order. The use case demonstrates pricing configured by seats, with a per-seat charge above the specified thresholds. Carolina, an employee of Porto Editora, logs into the self-service portal. Registered and approved customers have more functionality within the portal than we saw in our first use case. Access is granted to a dashboard, and to view and manage profile, locations, contacts, orders, subscriptions, notes, interactions, invoices, returns, credits and issues. Access to the marketplace is available through the shop icon. We are interested in digital menus. Carolina reviews the product description, specifications and pricing. Satisfied, she adds the product to the cart. In the cart, Carolina changes the ordered quantity and we see the pricing match the use case specifications, at €34 for 1 table, €44 for 11 tables, and €57.60 for 32 tables. During checkout, a PO number is supplied to ease the invoicing and payment process within the customer. A due date is also selected. Carolina confirms the order and it is submitted for processing. The status of the order is available through the portal. Logging back into the marketplace as a NOSH employee, we will take a look at the generated order and its status. The product on the order has been tagged in the catalog as requiring approval, and so the order has generated an approval task. Let's complete it. We can see in the related items section that a service order has been generated, but this service order will be managed by the marketplace rather than the partner. The service order is being automatically fulfilled by the workflow and is in activating status. Drilling down into the detailed workflow status, we can see that we have issued a TM Forum 641 Open API call to a service activation platform to provision the service. In this demo, the message is directed to Intraways Symphonica. We are now waiting on confirmation from Symphonica that the service has been activated. As we were investigating the status, we received confirmation and the service order automatically closed. The parent customer order has been sent a notification that the service order is complete. As this is the only service order, the customer order is ready and the order acceptance task is generated. Let's complete this task, completing the order. We navigate down to the subscription via the service order, and see that the service is active and ready for any change activity, such as a disconnection. Let's take a look at digital menus in the catalog. All products in a category inherit their attributes and specifications from their category. The category is where we define specifications. Each specification defines the permitted values, where it should appear in the product page, and whether it can be used for filtering or searching. Moving back to the product view, let's look at how the pricing was defined. We can see 3 pricing rules here. The marketplace supports multi-currency and we have defined 3 prices across the 7 currencies configured here. We have chosen to use quantity discounts to implement the requested pricing. This facility allows us to define the price at a series of intervals. Only one price rule was needed to implement the 3 price levels and the additional seat price. We have come to the conclusion of the second use case. We demonstrated how the digital menu product was defined, along with its pricing. We showed an existing client login to the self-service portal and place an order. And finally, we showed how an order for a service to be fulfilled by NOSH would be processed.